What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and if this is your first time checking me out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and get the latest and greatest on Lenovo products because I do a lot of reviews for these guys, so make sure you hit that button. All right, so today, this week, actually, we are reviewing the ThinkPad T480. Today is all about unboxing, first impressions of it. I don't know anything about this machine at all. It just arrived. I'm super excited to getting this guy. And let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so what comes inside the box? A couple of things. Real short and simple. We have the safety and warranty guide from ThinkPad. Put that to the side. It comes with a battery. What? This is my first time that I actually have a Lenovo product that the battery wasn't inserted or embedded. Gotta love that. So I'm gonna put that to the side right now. We have our power cable and we have our power brick, which is actually 65 watts. I'm gonna plug this guy up like this. Get that ready. And there you go, it's inserted. I'm gonna put the power supply to the side. And here goes the beautiful Lenovo ThinkPad T480. I do not know anything about it. I don't know none of the specs. So this is all new to me. Again, like I said, it just arrived inside the lab. And I just wanted to do the unboxing first impressions. First things first, it is pretty solid, not too heavy. Has a lot of ports. But one of the ports that caught my eye, it has a Ethernet port. Ah, love it. All right, so I'm going to turn this guy down on its back. So we got the back part, and we're going to insert this battery in here so we can give it some juice. Okay, you want to make sure, there you go, and we're just going to snap it. Battery is locked in. Let's open this guy up real quick, see how it looks. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The keyboard looks amazing. I'm assuming the keyboard is backlit. The spacebar gives you that indication of the little backlit. You have to hit function and hit it a couple of times to turn it off and on. I'm assuming there's two levels. It does have the fingerprint scanner. It's not over here next to the touchpad. It's over here. ThinkPad has this nice little signature little mechanism in the middle right here. The little red dot that controls the mouse. Power button is over here. T480 looks official. All right, so let me stop drooling over the T480 and let's turn this guy on. Again, like I said, the power button is not on the side or on the top. It's right here on the upper right corner. So let's power it up. Oof. Backlit keyboard, very bright, very strong, super excited. I'm assuming it probably has like a Samsung solid state drive. I don't know what format, which is okay. We're gonna look at it right now. It's loading up. It is touch screen. Ooh, is it? It looks like it's anti-glare. I'm like moving around right now. I'm everywhere right now on the T480 because again, like I said, guys, it just landed inside my lab, and I just want to do the unboxing and first impressions. So far, it looks pretty legit. I'm gonna right click on the taskbar. Let's go to Task Manager and see what Lenovo hooked us up for this week. So let's go to more details. Let's go to performance and see what it has. Now we are rocking let me right click here. Change the graph to logical. What? We are rocking a quad core Intel i7 8th generation processor. Now this is the 8650U processor with a clock speed of 1.90 gigahertz. And for memory, 16 gigs. Holy moly. Nice. Thank you, Lenovo. I'm loving this. It comes with a solid state drive from Samsung. Let's go inside. Let's do a Windows E. And let's go to this PC. It looks like a 500 gig. I don't know if it's a solid state drive or what. So I need to test that out. I need to do a little bit more research to see what type of hard drive. Now for the graphics processor, it comes with the standard Intel Ultra HD Graphics 620. I'm assuming that the resolution is 1080p. Right? I think that's 1080p. So let's go to Intel graphics settings. and see what's the highest resolution that you could go into this machine. Yep, the highest that you could go is 1920 by 1080. Nice, nice. With the T480, they gave you the Think shutter mechanism right here. It's a little hard to get in there. You have to have some nails to just dig in there and lock it in. Loving so far. The keyboard looks pretty legit. The home keys feels nice. The space between all the keys, nice. It's not bunched up. The distance between the home keys and the ThinkPad is nice for big hands. I'm going to close the laptop up real quick. And again, like I said, there's a lot of ports. Looking on the back side, doesn't look like there's any ports on the back. We do have a lot of ports on the right side and on the left side. Now, let's take a look on the right side. On the right side, we have an SD card reader. We have our Ethernet jack, which is a huge plus for me. We have 1, 2, 3.0 USB ports, but one is always on charge. And we have an HDMI, and then we have our combo audio jack, which allows us to hook up a headphone / mic. On the left-hand side is really self-explanatory. We have our little ventilation system right here to push out all that heat. This port right here allows us to hook up our power adapter to, give it some juice. And these two guys right here, I think this is a Thunderbolt port. 2 Thunderbolt ports, I think. But this hidden compartment right here, let me see if I could take this thing out for you guys. You're able to hook up the Lenovo docking station to it to expand the ports for this T480. That's awesome. This is a pain in the butt taking off. And if you lose it, Lenovo probably charge you an arm and a leg just to get this little part. All right, so my first impressions on the T480, the ThinkPad T480, looks awesome. It feels awesome. I love the trackpad. It doesn't have that glass kind of feeling. I did notice that the fan went up kind of high and like, ooh, and then went down, and I didn't do anything to it. But major concern on that. I got to keep a close ear and eye on that. With the 8650U processor, 8th generation i7 quad-core, awesome. And I'm looking at the CPU right now. It went to 71 and then went down. That's a major concern for me. I want to know what's going on. A couple of spikes. 1.90 gigahertz, that's pretty low. I definitely need to get inside the BIOS to see if I'm able to either enable turbo to see if I could bump it up a little bit. I do love the fact that the memory is 16 gigs. Ooh, that's awesome. I do see the T40 for maybe video editing. I could probably take advantage with video editing. It doesn't have a high-end graphics card. It does have the Ultra HD Graphics 620. You're going to get that with the 8th generation processors. But with the memory, you could do a lot, maybe a lot of rendering and stuff. I love the feel of the keyboard, the brightness of the display. Let's see if we could change the brightness. I'm going to hit function and let's F5. No, that's not it. There you go. It's just F5. This is the lowest that it could go on the display, and the highest is this right here. Lowest, and this is the highest, which is not that bad. First glance, I think it's anti-glare. I don't have too many lights in the lab right now, so I'm not really seeing like a hard shine. I'm excited to have the T480 in the lab to test out more. I think the next thing I'm going to do for you guys is do the battery test to see how well the battery works out. I'm super surprised to have a removable battery. Wow. Overall, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impressions of Lenovo's ThinkPad T480. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them at the bottom. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.